Hi, I'm Dr. Jeenam Shah, and today we are going to be learning about how to use a pressurized meter dose inhaler with a spacer. There can be different types of MDIs, that is a pMDIs, and there can be different types of spacers. Today we are going to be discussing a mini spacer. Mini spacer has multiple components. One is the mouth cap, then this is the mouthpiece, this is the holding chamber, and this is the area where the MDI gets attached. So the first step is to attach the MDI. First, remove the cap of the MDI and shake it well. Then attach it to the spacer. Now sit straight, relax, open the cap and exhale first. Please take a slow and deep inhalation. Hold your breath for 10 seconds at least, if possible for more than that, and then gently exhale. If you need to take the second puff, you need to do the same steps, but wait for a minute. After you are done, please put some water in your mouth, rinse and gargle and spit it out. Please do not swallow. How to clean the SynchroBreathe device? Take this device, remove the space inhaler if you have attached it, then put this in mild soapy solution for at least 15 minutes. Then rinse with clean water and then shake out excessive soap, whatever water has been remaining, and allow it to air dry overnight, preferably in vertical position. Please discard the inhaler once it is 6 months and replace it with a new inhaler. Thank you for watching today's video on how to use a pMDI with a spacer. If you have any questions, kindly mention it in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer that questions.